You.
Stay out of the camera.
Bleh.
What
are you doing?
No. You don't put. You don't. It's not. I'm gonna shut the drawer now. So, watch your fingers. This is Dan, the killer of babies, and this is my little babyish cousin. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'll be back. You'll be back? Oh no. Dan, don't close the... Oh my gosh. My cousin is dead. Dan, what'd you do with it?